Yesterday, the Michigan legislature passed a very controversial abortion law. In the hours since that decision, it has sparked debate on both sides. And tonight, Brian Johnson takes a look at how it will impact the entire state.
The cost of an abortion ranges from a few $100s if performed early to tens of thousands of dollars if performed later in development.
When you're talking about a woman who's in a severe health crisis, which would not be exempt under this proposal, you could wind up with a woman losing a wanted pregnancy and having tens of thousands of dollars of hospital bills tacked on to that emotional burden.
The new abortion rider law takes effect in March. Over the last decade, the number of people seeking abortions in Michigan has decreased from more than 28,000 in 2002 to just fewer than 22,700 last year. The new law makes Michigan one of 12 states to allow insurance companies to sell additional abortion riders, although no insurance companies are required to sell the plans and none do. So even if someone wanted to buy a plan, it's simply not offered.
Very few states actually prohibit private insurers from offering the coverage that an employer or a person wants to purchase.
Private insurance companies can no longer cover abortion with the exception of life of the mother. However, poor people who qualify for Medicaid will now get more comprehensive insurance. That's because federal law requires state Medicaid to also cover abortion in the case of rape and incest. The Department of Insurance and Financial Services, which governs the industry, says it really hasn't had time to even look at the new law, let alone how it will impact the industry, because the legislation didn't go through the normal process or even receive a bill number. In Lansing, Brian Johnson, Fox 47 News.
We tried to get an on-camera interview tonight with someone from Blue Cross Blue Shield of Michigan and the Michigan Association of Health Plans and also the Michigan Health and Hospital Association. Our efforts were unsuccessful.